Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ramon Gary and we're back today with video number 7 of our 30 for 30 video series. What are you doing? Over the next 30 days, we're helping 30 families start their journey to financial freedom. Now, if you missed my previous videos, just simply go to my YouTube channel and you can subscribe there to get some of this free information that multi-millionaires are teaching us. Now, today is video number 7, like I said, and it's a very important video because in our previous videos, see, we talked about the challenges, we talked about problems, we talked about the things that were keeping you back from reaching your financial goals. But today is the first video we're talking about solutions, all right? And the key word for today is cash flow. See, most of Americans think they have an income problem. You don't have an income problem, you have a cash flow problem. See, write this down. Income is measured in dollars, but cash flow is measured in time. Let me say that again. Income is measured in dollars, but cash flow is measured in time. All right? See, you can make a great deal of income but have a negative cash flow cycle. Let me give you an example. Let's say I make $1 million a year, but my expenses are $2 million a year. All right? So remember, cash flow is measured in time. So if I make $1 million a year and my expenses are $2 million a year, my cash flow is only 6 months. You see, because of the lifestyle and because of all the spending I'm doing, I can't last very long. All right, so I'm in a negative cash flow cycle. All right, now let's take a person that makes $80,000 a year and their expenses are only $40,000. See, that person can go a whole year, spend $40,000, and then go a whole another year and spend another $40,000. And guess what? They haven't even worked or increased their income because their cash flow was 2 years. See, they have a positive cash flow cycle. See, there's only 2 types of cash flow. There's a negative cash flow cycle and a positive cash flow cycle. And once you understand that the lack of money is costing you money, you'll fix your negative cash flow. And once you understand that the abundance of money saves you money, you'll move toward positive cash flow. See, last year, the banks made $5 billion off people with a negative cash flow cycle. What do you mean? See, the top 3 banks in this country, Chase, Wells Fargo, and the Bank of America, they made $5 billion last year off people who had overdraft fees or insufficient funds. All right? So we have to start increasing our cash flow and making it positive, all right? And we do that by minimizing 3 things. 3 things, all right? So you want to minimize your taxes, you want to minimize your debt, and you want to minimize your expenses. See, when taxes, debt, and expenses go down, cash flow automatically goes up, all right? So if you're ready to change your or fix your cash flow cycle and you're ready to move from a negative cycle to a positive cycle, I want you to text me at this number, 662-350-0632. Text me the keyword cash flow. Or if you already have a positive cash flow cycle and you want to move to, as we say, more positive, again, text me the keyword cash flow at 662-350-0632. And I'll be happy to share some information with you that multi-millionaires are using to improve their cash flow. Again, I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.